Hello guys, my name is Vlad and today I want to show you how to hack any applications which want that you pay a bit for getting a password, like some applications like this. For example, Asphalt 8 hack application. Let's start it at first. As you can see, it doesn't work until you enter license key to activate this hack. If you press get key, it show you web page where you can download it when you complete a viable office. But I found the ability to hack this application or any applications like this. As you can see, get key is a button, this is a text box, and activate is a button too. We will hack this application using .NET Reflector application. This application can decompile all .NET applications. As you can see, this application may be made in Visual Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio. Maybe it's C# or VB.NET application. Okay. When you start .NET Reflector, add your file to the list. Here you can see its real name, Asphalt 8 Airborne Hack 2013. And now we can see its source code. Here we can find the resource file of the application, some images and icons, but it's now not necessary. When you click on plus button, we can find all forms that were created in this application. Here we can find some more information about this application, all its source code. Its source file. Okay. We can see that application have just two forms. When we press activate, it show wrong key, try again. Okay. Let's start from form 1. Here we can see base types, derived types, events when you click on button, form load event, timer, radio button, initialization of components. And here you will see the source code of this application. Here you can see another source code of each component on the form. Okay. We don't know which form contains the password, let's start from the form which contains less components, just link label, and let's start read the code. If you know programming, or maybe just know English a bit, you can read it, of course. If you don't know Visual Basic language, just use C# or any other languages you know and that Reflector has in this list. Okay, how does this event might work? When you click on Activate button, it shows a message and returns the result. And when you input some text here, of course get that the key is wrong. And maybe when you input the correct key, it will work, and all components like start and detect devices will be available. Okay, here we can see that form 6 hasn't got a key, so activate is a button. That is why we need to check all button click events. Its event will start when you click on the button. First, here you can see the name of the button, it's button 1, and then the event that will work when you do something with the button. Here is a click. There are a lot of events like get focus, lost focus, or any other events if you will show it in programs like Visual Studio, Delphi, or any other. Okay, button 1 hasn't got a code, it's just for maybe design. Okay, button click 1 is the next, and here you can see that it's starting the timer. Maybe it's start button which starts the timer for shows the progress of hacking the Asphalt 8 application, but it hasn't got a code. Okay, the next is button 2. This is a name of form. Here can be in this application form 6, and if you use just this form, you should write this. In Visual Basic it's me. Okay, this event is showing label when you click on button 2 and make the progress bar value 0 and stop timer 2. I think it's maybe refresh button. Okay, let's continue. Here you can see that it's a check that label 3 is visible and checkbox is checked, or it's checkbox 7 checked, then starting timer 2. Else we can show, the program will show message box that detect device and enter values. Maybe it's start button, maybe that start timer 2, maybe it's this, but it doesn't the code that necessary for us. Okay, button 4. If text box, here we can see just one text box has value this, then buttons 1, 2, 3, 4 will enable, picture box 6 will visible, and we can see a message box that application is now activated, and group 6 will visible false. And else, if this text box has another text, not this, we will show wrong key, try again. So that is why this code is our key. Let's try it. As you can see, all buttons are not enabled now, and now press activate. As you can see, hack activated this message box, and now we can detect devices and patch the game. If this is detect device, okay, let's press it. Really, I didn't connect any devices so that is why it's fake. Any devices are connected now and game is not installed. So you can press here anything, and okay, let's connect maybe iOS. As you can see, it's connected too. So I think it's fake application. Okay, let's add one credit. Oh really? Let's try again and start. Oh, credits, okay. As you can see, the progress bar is walking, if we can say. And it's hack application even when device is not connected. Wait. Okay, a lot of mistakes in this application. Okay, it was everything that I wanted to show to you. Oh, button 5, it was that button that get key. This starts the process and send us to the web page where you can pay for this key. And button 6 is sending us to another web page where you can, of course, pay and maybe get this key or maybe even not. So, goodbye.